job because matching my skills and interested, and I'm excited about this opportunity and to grow with the company.
Okay. So, why do you want this job?
I want to motivate by I'm a fast learner and hardworking, and also I'm good communication skills and always give my best effort in this work.
Okay. And what are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I feel shy and nervous, but I'm working to build my confidence.
What motivates you to apply as a cashier in our company?
I want this job because matching my skills and interested, and I'm excited about this opportunity and to grow with the company.
Okay. So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself in 5 years growing in career and being more skills and being a valued team and member of this company, and of course to be a success.
So what do you know about this company, our company?
I know your company is a value and work and quality. I want to be part of this company and of course to
So how you can contribute to fostering a positive work?
I will contribute my promotion and also collaboration with your team and recognition, achievement, and maintaining my positive attitude, and of course I believe one open communication with the other.
So what makes you good fit for this position?